I need a level control. So at here I'm going to take level control total numbers of at here this my table and this my database SAM. So at here in the table total numbers of columns are 5. So at here I'm going to take 5 level control C control V. So this is the first or fifth here, this is the third, and here this is the second. Now hereafter I'm going to take a text box control. So this is the text box. So here I'm going to take 5 text box. So total number of text box are 5. Now here I'm going to change the label text. So add here ID name age. So at here I'm going to give text property ID and here name and here age. And here after next is city and department. City here department. Now here after let's select the text box and here after go to data binding and select text. So inside the text select drop down and add project data source. So click here. So add here this is the wizard or data source configuration wizard. So database selected. It's okay. Next data set and hereafter let's click on new. So if you don't know the server name, so blindly write at your local host. And after this, the Windows authentication is okay. Now here I'm going to select the database SAM. So this my database SAM inside SAM or two tables EMP details and EMP. So this my EMP underscore details. So this table I'm going to use. And hereafter test connection. Now click on next. Here next. So at here, you can select any tables like you can select both whatever, and if you want, then you can select views as tables anyway. So according to requirement, and here after data set 10, so SAM data set sets okay. Now click on finish. So at this text box here, I'm going to use for ID next name here or is city. So this text ID for ID name is city and text. So at here select the text box and text box selected and you have to go to the text and here this is the project and here EMP underscore detail. So this is my table and here select EMP ID. So see at here EMP EID selected. Now here after go to text box and here do the same. So at here I need next name. So name and here this is for S and here this is for city and next for department. Now all are selected And hereafter let's drag at here our binding navigator into the form, and you have to select this binding navigator, and here after go down. So at your find binding source, so select all there, and if you create all those things, all this part, so directly that come. So at your EMP details binding source, select that one. So that's it. Now let's execute and check. So see at here all the database records it's appear at here. So at your 5. So total numbers of rows are at here 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here after here. So if you like to see next ID or number, so here you click this move next here. So 20 wizard. Let's compare with database. So this is the database at here. So 20 ward, name is ward, here is 67, and here city Sydney, and here after the department IT. And if you want to click on next, so at here this is for 21, and here 21 plus the H45, and here belly and curl. So this is for our next. So here this for next, and this for previous. So this for previous. So if you are like to go in last, you have to click this option, move to last, and hereafter this is for move first. And if you wanna delete some records, so you have to click this option. So records is deleted from here, but it won't be affected at here because I did not set any updated part. I didn't set it. So here if I'm going to execute this one, so it's nothing affected. So here after I'm going to show you how to add new records, to delete new records, and do some modification to update or add here, so it will directly affect to the database as well. Click at your menu bar, and you have to click on drop down, and here I'm going to take one button control. So here tool strip button control. Now hereafter I'm going to click on button control or tool strip button control. So at here click event, it's a fire. Now hereafter let's write this dot validate. So it's a one method to validate the controls. So this used to validate the controls. Now hereafter this dot, and here EMP, write the table name, so it's directly come at here EMP details binding source. So binding source is used to bind Windows form to database. So select this one, and you have to write end edit. So about the end edit, applies pending changes and underline or data source. So this is about end edit. Now hereafter write this keyword again, and here next for EMP table adapter, and here write update, and here this dot. So I'm going to do the update on SAM data set. So see at here this is the SAM data set. So this is the connection, and hereafter our table update. So table update or component or field or data set with data from the database, and based on one or more queries or store procedure. So this is what table adapter. So it's a one component to fill data set with data or from the database. So here this is the use of table adapter. Now let's execute and check it's is it working right or not. So right here it's all up here. So if for this is for or DPT10 here 20. Now here I'm going to do one modification. So at here I'm going to change the ID. So at here giving 40. Now here click this option. So this inside or to restrict I've written update updated code. So let's click there. And one more thing, it's updated but it's not showing anything. So at here it's updated. Check at here if you execute the query. So see at here it's now 40. So at here I'm going to write one more thing. Message box dot show method. So at here printing if the value is updated. So at here I'm going to print updated successfully. Now let's execute. So at here I'm going to or do modification on city. So suppose if Alan move from London to Chicago. So at here write Chicago and now click on this. So here at here message printing update successfully. Now here after let's check into the database execute. So at here uh, its Alan is now move or current city is now Chicago. So like this way or you can delete some record also. So at here though I'm going to remove this records. So at here click on delete option. So at here it's displaying for only. Now let's check into the database. So at here 1 2 3 4 5. So one more thing, after deleting you have to apply this or you have to click this option. So now updated successfully. Now again check into the database. So see at here it's now this time 4. So 10 ID 10 it's deleted. And hereafter if you want to insert some records, so click on plus. So at here giving ID 10 and your name or Billy and here is 32 and your city Miami and your department sales. So after writing this all, so you have to click this option there tool string button. So at your updated successfully. Now let's check into the database execute. So at your tail Billy 32 Miami sales. So this is the use of binding navigator in C#.NET Windows application. So this bind. So at here I'm providing this binding source. So this bind and hereafter this all do this or suitable calculation and after printing suitable output. So I hope guys you understand the uses of binding navigator. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.